Want to tell them Happy New Year's. I'm hoping to enjoy New Year. More and more video phone and more. Thanks to all the people who support me. I want to tell them thank you so much for supporting me in all the times of last year in 2020. 2020 did bad. I get to go all, but when I get to go now, we do no public interview. But you know, some more yard video, more reactionary things, I put off phone and things and probably couple public, isn't it? But no, say, pray to God, say, 2021 is better than that past corruption we are left out on, isn't it? Because, boy, that stuff happened, Corona, stop the school, online school, coming in and bust the brains and like all kind of things. So, we're going to enjoy. I want to thank you to all who support me, as it. Big up on yourself, as it. So, Happy New Year's once again. Happy belated Christmas, as it. Because I put out a Happy Christmas with the but I want to say Happy Christmas to all who, you see me? All I'm supporters, all I'm subscribers. Big up on yourself, you see me? I'm out.